I, Sanjay Kumar, a teacher of Jesus and Mary Academy, class 12, math, continue determinant. We study property of determinant. First property, if each entry in any row or each entry in any column of a determinant is 0, then determinant is equal to 0. For example, determinant is 3, 1, 5, 0, 0, 0, 2, 4, minus 2. Here element in second row or element in second row is 0. Therefore, value of determinant becomes 0. Now, solving this, expanding along the second row, taking second row and first column, we get minus 0. Eliminate second row and first column, we get 1, 4, 5, minus 2, plus second row and second column 0. Eliminate second row and second column, get 3, 2, 5, minus 2. Second row, eliminate second row and third column, we get 3, 2, 1, 4. On solving, we get 0. Hence, any row or any column, all element of any row or any column is 0, then value of determinant becomes 0. Second property, if row be changed into column and column into row, then determinant remain unchanged. For example, first row contain A1, A2, A3. Element in second row contain B1, B2, B3. Element of row third contains C1, C2, C3. First row change in first column, second row change in second column, third row change in third column. That value of both determinant is same. For example, let LHS expanding along first row. A1, B2, C2, B3, C3, minus A2, B1, C1, B3, C3, plus A3, C, B1, C1, B2, C2. Expanding along first row, we get A1, B2, C3, minus B3, C2, minus A2, B1, C3, minus B3, C1, plus A3, B1, C2, minus B2, C1. Now expanding RHS along first row, RHS equal to A1, B2, B3, C2, C3, minus B1, A2, A3, C2, C3, plus C1, A2, A3, B2, B3. On solving, A1, B2, C3, minus B3, C2, minus B1, A2, C3, minus C2, A3, plus C1, A2, B3, minus A3, B2, equal to A1, B2, C3, minus A1, B3, C2, minus B1, A2, C3, minus minus plus B1, C2, A3, plus C1, A2, B3, minus C1, A3, B2. on arranging A1, B2, C3 3C2 minus B1 A2 C3 plus C1 A2 B3 plus B1 C2 A3 minus C1 A3 B2, taking A1 in, we get B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus A2 B1 C3 minus C1 B3 plus, taking A1 here, we get B2 C3 minus B3 C2, taking minus A2 from both, we get B1 C3 minus C1 A3, taking A3 from common from both, we get B1 C2 minus B2 C1. LHS and RHS both are equal. Hence, a row change into column and column change into row, determinant remain unchanged. Property 3. If any two row or column of a determinant are interchanged, then the resulting determinant is the negative of the original determinant. Original determinant is A1 B1, first row is A1 B1 C1, second row A2 B2 C2, third row A3 B3 C3. Interchange first column into in second column in first column. We get B1 B2 B3 in first column, A1 A2 A3 in second column, C1 C2 C3 in third column. Then value of determinant becomes negative. LHS expanding along the first row. A1 B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus B1 A2 C3 minus A3 C2 plus C1 plus C1 A2 B3 minus A3 B2. RHS B1 A2 C3 minus A3 C2 plus minus B2 A1 C3 minus A3 C1 plus B3 A1 C2 minus A2 C1. On solving, A2 B1 C3 minus A3 B1 C2 minus A1 B2 C3 minus 1 plus A3 B2 C1 plus A1 B3 C2 minus A2 B3 C1. rearranging minus a1 b2 c3 plus a1 b3 c2 plus a2 b1 c3 minus a3 b1 c2 minus a2 b3 c1 plus a3 b2 c1. Taking minus a1, we get b2 c3 minus b3 c2 plus b1 a2 c3 minus a3 c2 minus b3 a2 c1 minus b3 a2 c1 minus a2 b3 minus c1 a minus a3 c1. Taking minus in all, we get a1 b2 c3 minus b3 c2 minus b1 a2 b3 minus a2 c3 minus a3 c2 plus c1 a2 b3 minus a3 b2 equal to R2 minus LHS. Expanding along the first row, A1 B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus B1 A2 C3 minus A3 C2 plus C1 A2 B3 minus B2 C3. RHS expanding along the first row, B1 A2 C3 minus A3 C2 minus B2 expanding along the first column, A1 C3 minus A3 C1 plus B3 A1 C2 minus A2 C1 minus, taking minus from here, we get plus A1 B2 C3 minus A3 B2 minus B1 3 minus A3 C2 plus C1 A2 B3 minus A3 B2 equal to LHS. For example, a determinant is in first row 1 2 minus 3, in second row 2 1 4, third row 3 1 2, expanding along the first column. Equal to 1 2 minus 4 minus 2 2 to 4 minus plus 3 plus 3 2 4 8 minus minus plus 3 equal to minus 2 into 7 plus 3 into 11 equal to minus 2 minus 14 plus 33 minus 16 plus 33 15 17. Now change first column in second column in first column. 2 1 1 1 2 3 minus 3 4 2 equal to 2 4 minus 12 minus 1 2 minus minus plus 9 minus 1 4 minus minus plus 6 equal to 2 into minus 8 minus 1 into 11 minus 10 equal to minus 16. 2 into 4 minus 12 minus 1 into 2 minus minus plus 9 minus 1 4 minus minus plus 6 equal to 2 into minus 8 minus 1 into 11 minus 1 into 10 minus 16 minus 11 minus 10. 11 plus 10 equal to minus 27 plus 10 equal to minus 17. Hence, changing first column into second column into first column, value of determinant becomes negative of original determinant. Property 4. If two row or two column in a determinant are identical, then the determinant is equal to 0. Here, for example, that first row and first row and second row elements are identical, hence the value of determinant is 0. Delta expanding along the first row. A1 B1 C2 minus B2 C1 minus B1 A1 C2 minus A2 C1 plus C1 A1 B2 minus A2 B1 equal to A1 B1 C2 minus A1 B2 C1 minus A1 B1 C2 plus A2 B1 C1 plus A1 B2 C1 minus A2 B1 C1. A1 B1 C2 A1 B1 C2 plus minus cancel minus A2 B1 C2 minus A2 B1 C2 minus A2 B1 A1 B2 C1 negative positive cancel A2 B1 C1 cancel, we get 0. Property 5. If all the elements of any row or column be multiplied by a non-zero real number k, then the value of the new determinant is k times the value of the original determinant. Let original determinant be A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C2, and delta dash is another determinant k A1 k A B1 k C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3, then delta dash equal to k delta, since k is multiplied in first row. Delta dash equal to k A1 KA B1, KC1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, expanding along first row KA1, B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus KB1 A1 C3 sorry A2 C3 minus A3 C2 plus KC1 A2 B3 minus A3 B2 taking K common from all, we get A1 B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus B1 A2 C3 minus A3 C2 plus C1 A2 B3 minus A3 B2 equal to K A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3 equal to K delta. Delta equal to A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3 and delta dash is determinant multiplying first row element of first row by K, KA1, KB1, KC1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, that delta dash equal to K delta. Delta dash expanding along the first row, we get KA1, B2, C3 minus B3, C2 minus KB1, A2, C3 minus A3, C2 plus KC1, A2 B3 minus A3 B2. Taking K common from all, we get A1 B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus B1 A2 C3 minus A3 C2 plus C1 A2 B3 minus A3 B2 equal to K A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C2 equal to K delta. Therefore, any row or any column is multiplied a non-zero, new determinant becomes non-zero multiple of original determinant.